This video I will explain how to pay Amazon Web Services bill. Here you can see I got mail from Amazon, and here you can see the total amount. It is 79 rupees 49 paisa. And to pay the amount, click on this link. Here you can see you have one payment past due. Here you can see total amount due. Click on this one to download the invoice. Invoice is downloaded. Here you can see billing statement. Here you can see the summary of the bill. Here you can see what and all services I have used and what is the charge for each service. Click on complete payment. Here you can see payment method section. You can add the payment method, either credit or debit card, net banking or UPI. I have already added net banking. Click on credit or debit card. Here you have to provide the card information and the billing address. Then you can add the card. I will use UPI to pay the amount. Here you have to provide the UPI ID. Click on verify. Verification is done. Here I have to provide the billing address. I'm going to use the existing address. Click on add payment method. The payment method has been added, which is UPI. Click on verify and pay. You have to go to UPI ID linked mobile app, and you will get the notification from your UPI ID linked mobile app, and using that you can complete your payment. So you have to open your mobile app in the mobile to complete the payment. I have completed the payment using UPI in mobile app, so it is successfully completed. Here you can see no payments due. The billing payment is completed.